Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video, we're going to continue on with 5 days of ALiEN. This is a new series I'm introducing to my channel. Basically, I take one eyeshadow palette and do 5 different looks and have those videos, and upload those videos back to back. I did this gold inspired look, pretty much with the shade UFO and a whole mess of other shades. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Alrighty, let's get started with this look. We're gonna go in with this dripping gold look. Got the perfect jacket. Okay, I'm just gonna set my primer and everything. I'm gonna go in with Titan with this brush and just rub it all over my lid. Use the viewfinder as my mirror. Just kidding. I'm gonna use this mirror. Next, I'm gonna go with Martian Salt and put that in the crease and kind of like blow out the color as well to bit because I want that to be like the main color as well. So I'm gonna take this blending brush and just really dip into Martian Salt. Really coat that brush. And then take a little bit into the V. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the shade X-Files. We're just gonna pat this brush as well and just pat a little bit of excess. First, I really want to define that crease before going in on that V. So what I'm doing is I'm just patting it on. I'm not quite blending it yet until I get to this little corner. Then I'm just lightly tapping the dark shade to darken that up. Next, we're going to tap that inner V. Now I'm going to go in with a clean brush back into Martian. Medium cover the brush. And then I'm just going to blend out that outer edge. So I'm going to take Martian Salt, kind of like blow it outward a little bit. Like follow that line of that V. So take a little bit of X-Files and just like flicking it outward to just complete that little shadowing of a wing. Oh, that's not really looking that great. Okay, so that might be a mistake. I don't know, we'll see. Next, I'm gonna go with the shade UFO. Since it's a really glittery like shimmer shade, I'm gonna go in with Max Fix Plus and just spritz the brush. Lightly just put the brush in there, coating it, and then just putting it all over the lid. Oh, Jesus. That is what dreams are made of. Oh my God. Look at that. I want to take UFO back even further, all the way back to about right there. Looks like that. And then I want to go in with X-Files again to really define that outer V. I'm going to go with the shade Martian Salt again and kind of just smoke out underneath using that. And I'm only going to go about to where my pupil goes. With that same brush we have Martian Salt on, we're going to take a little bit of X-Files to darken up the inner eye. Next I'm going to go, first I'm going to wet this little pencil brush. And then I'm going to go in with Interstellar and light up that inner corner. Kind of fill in that little hole that I left between the tear duct and kind of bringing it almost down under my pupil. Now, I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, you saw it. I'm gonna take the liquid lipstick in Queen Bee. I'm gonna do a liner. In my last video, you saw me use it on the waterline. This time, I'm using it as a eyeliner. I have not used this before on the line, but I'm pretty sure this works. I mean, it'll work. And I'm just going to work with it by taking the brush and just dipping into the actual product. Jeffree Cosmetics, don't fail me now. As I feared, it's kind of interfering with the glitter shade, but that's okay, will make it work. So to achieve this, I'm kind of just like stamping the color on. Hopefully this is translating good. Okay, so I think to help it translate well, I'm gonna add a little bit more dark underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. So I did the other eye off camera, and I did mascara with the Benefit Roller Lash. And then I put lashes on with the Makeup Shack and Style Dragon Eye. And then I went in with the Wet n Wild, this nude pencil and the waterline. Next, highlight, blush, lips. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go with my ever so trusty e.l.f. blush. Honestly, it's like a go-to. I don't know, I like it. I just keep going to it. My eye right here is red. And my lash is lifting. Alright, so I know I added the e.l.f. blush on, but I want to add this one on top. It's this Morphe Trio. I'm going to go in with the shade RuleBreaker. This is the blush trio in Pop of Pink. So thanks for going in for this gold feel. I think it's only fitting that we go in with the Jeffree Cosmetics Supreme Frost. I have the shade Wet Dream. I'm just gonna pop that everywhere. I love taking it like from the brow, going all the way up like that. And like that. So that when I'm hitting the sunlight, it just like glistens like that. Next, I'm gonna line my lip using the Jeffree Cosmetics lip liner. This is in the shade Celebrity Skin. Alright, there we go. Now that our lips are lined, I'm going to go in with Can't Relate and put that all over the lips. One day I'll learn to not feel like this when I'm drawing my lips on. Alrighty, now we're going to set the face. We're going to use Urban Decay 24-Hour All Nighter Setting Spray. Here we go. Alrighty, and we're done. Alrighty guys, and this is the final look right here. And the only new product that I really tried for this look in particular was Jeffree Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Celebrity Skin. I like it a lot actually. I think it helps build up like the outer edge of the lip to make it look a lot more natural and look a lot more full. Alrighty, and let's talk about today's look. The shades I used today was Titan, which as you saw from the last video, I like that shade a lot. It's good for setting the overall eye. And I use Martian Soul and X-Files to just do like the eyeshadow color. Those are amazing. They blend out so good. UFO, no fallout at all. A lot of times when I like use my Anastasia Beverly brush and I go in like that, there'll be some fallout that falls out underneath. With UFO, none at all whatsoever. Interstellar, I used that one the other day for my look, so I like that shade too. This product isn't so new to me, but I did use it in a new way for the eyeliner, for the wing I should say. It is not 100% opaque, but I mean, I love it. I would definitely recommend using his other liquid lips as eyeliners or wings if you want. Alrighty, and if you enjoyed this video, show it some love by clicking that like button down below. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by clicking that subscribe button down below. I try to upload videos every Wednesday, so for sure hit that bell notification alert every time I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social medias will link it down below. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, click the ones that are floating above me around me right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next ALiEN look.